Let's now execute this complex query, and it has one subquery here. Select wheelers from automobiles. Let us execute the inner query first separately. This is the automobiles table, and we have to select the wheelers from the automobiles. It means that it will return all the tuples and having one attribute wheelers 4, 8, 3, 2, 10. Let me execute this. In this fashion it will show you the table. So now let's execute this complex query. Select b1.id from bridges b1. Means that we want to select the IDs from bridges where twice of this ID in twice IDs means 2 into 1, which is 2, is 2 is present in this set. And now for second one, 2 into 2 is present in the set or not. 2 into 3, which is 6, is 6 present in the set? No. Is 4 into 2 is 8, 8 is present in the set? Yes. It means that is twice of IDs is present in this set or not. Let me execute this query. Now if you see, it will print the IDs 1, 2, 4 and 5. Here 3 electric car has not been taken because 3 into 2 was 6 and 6 was not present in this set. That's why we have not included this in our answer. And the rest has been included. Now let's say this query. In this query we have one subquery here. Already we have executed this query and we have got the answer as this output, and this is the automobiles table, and we want to select the ID num from automobiles where the wheelers in this result. But the difference is we have added 2 into b1.id. It means that we want to figure out if 4 is present in the twice of any IDs. But yes, we have, because 2 into 2 is 4 and 4 is present here. If we talk about 8, yes, 8 is also present because 2 into 4 is 8 and 8 is present in the set. But here there is 3. But here twice of any IDs cannot be 3. So it should not be printed. If we talk about 2, yes, 2 is present in this set because twice of ID of 1 is 2, and then 100, 2 should be printed. And lastly, 200, 10 should also be printed because 10 is present in twice of 5. That's why 200, 10 also should be printed. Let me execute this query. And if you notice, the result is quite as expected. Here all the tuples should get printed except the 21, 3. As we have mentioned that ID num should be printed or selected, that's why we have ID num in our output. Now if you want to figure out the sum of all these tuples, say 200 plus 100 plus 12 plus 10, you should copy this and paste it here. And now execute this. It will show you the output, the sum of all the tuples. See, we have used a renaming operation, allow sum, and this renaming operation should reflect in your output, and it is showing you one attribute in the output. And also we have renamed the following result as green. Okay, it means that this table is renamed as green in the database. Okay. Also you may use round function in the select statement, and it would round off the value of float into integer, and you may use nested queries as to some extent, and that's it. And the next time I will show you how to create triggers. And if you are new in the channel, you may subscribe to my channel and you can get latest information and updates. Thank you.